Root vegetables known as beets are frequently consumed roasted, boiled, or pickled. They are a fantastic complement to any healthy diet because they are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In this video, we'll look at 10 beetroot health advantages and explain why you might want to incorporate them into your diet. Before watch the video, please like and subscribe for more health videos. Full of nutrients, essential elements like vitamin C, fibre, folate, potassium, and iron are abundant in beets. These nutrients are crucial for overall health and can lower the risk of chronic illnesses including cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Improved bowel movements. For maintaining a normal and healthy digestive system, the fibre in beets can aid in better digestion. Additionally, fibre encourages satiety, which supports weight loss efforts. Reduced blood pressure. According to studies, eating beets helps lower blood pressure, which lowers the risk of heart disease and stroke. The high nitrate content of beets, which the body transforms into nitric oxide, which aids in dilating blood vessels and enhancing blood flow, is thought to be responsible for this impact. A boost in athletic performance. By enhancing oxygen transport to the muscles, beets' high nitrate content can also enhance athletic performance. Athletes may be able to work out longer and more efficiently thanks to this. Improves brain function. By increasing blood flow to the brain, the nitrates in beets can also enhance cognitive function. The capacity for memory and decision-making may be enhanced as a result. Anti-inflammatory qualities. A substance known to have anti-inflammatory effects is found in betaine, which is a component of beets. As chronic inflammation is a major factor in many chronic diseases, this can help lower the risk of it. Cancer-preventing qualities. Beets' antioxidant concentration can aid in preventing cell deterioration and lowering the risk of cancer. Additionally, research has indicated that betalains from beets have anti-cancer qualities. Helps the body detoxify. Beets include antioxidants that can aid in liver health preservation and aid in the body's detoxification process. Helps to ensure a healthy pregnancy. Beets have a lot of folate, which is good for expecting mothers since it helps to avoid birth abnormalities in the unborn child. Additionally, folate supports a healthy fetal development. Assists in controlling blood sugar levels. Beets are a healthy dietary option for those who have diabetes since their fibre content can help control blood sugar levels. Beets are a nutrient-rich vegetable that can offer a variety of health advantages. Beets can enhance digestion, lower blood pressure, boost athletic performance, improve brain function, and minimize your risk of developing chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Therefore, why not include some beets in your next meal and enjoy the advantages? Thank you.